Good morning, everyone. I am here right now in Vancouver, British Columbia with my nephews and nieces. So we just visit some places. Here. Hello, everyone. We will just walk to Chinatown since it is just 7 minutes walk from the place where we stayed last night. Hello guys. It's a sunny morning today actually. Good weather. Yesterday was raining hard. We're in a water park, Altos Lake. But it was raining hard. My nephews and nieces, they walk fast. I'm slow. I am slow walker. Yeah, it's hard to get a parking there in Chinatown. So since it's just 7 minutes walk, we decide we will just walk there so that we don't need to worry for parking actually. Hard to find a parking here in Vancouver. Yeah. It's a good weather. Although it was sunny, now it's kind of, a little bit. But at least it's not too hot, not too cold. That's the main thing. Not too hot, not too cold. They're fast. That's my nephew, my niece, and my grandkids. Hello everyone. I am here in British Columbia, Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada, guys. This is kind of actually 6 hours from our place, more than 6 hours, because we live in the province. And if you're a migrant, Vancouver is port of entry when you come from the Philippines, and all migrants. This place is not too traffic still compared to Metro Manila, Philippines. Oh yeah, we're close now in Chinatown. Chinatown. Lots of Asian products here. Cheap actually compared to the grocery store.